How to cancel Amazon Prime. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can cancel Amazon Prime, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you would like to cancel Amazon Prime, first of all, how did you subscribe to Prime, right? So if you have a Prime subscription from the website or from the app, you can do it either way. If you're doing it from the app, you can open up the Amazon shopping app, then just come to the account icon here, then go to your account. Once you go to your account, simply scroll down maybe to the payment section. Here you'll find any sort of memberships or something that you might have here. And then once you go to a certain option which is manage membership, which is membership and subscriptions here, you'll be able to see your existing subscription and then you'll be able to cancel them. The other way you can do it also is from your browser. You can open up your browser, go to amazon.com/Amazon Prime. If you have a subscription, you'll find them here and you'll find the option to cancel them. In my case, I don't have a subscription, so it is asking me to subscribe, but if you do, you'll find the option to also cancel them. So this way you can go ahead and then cancel Amazon Prime. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.